did all your good groundwork.
Good girl.
Okay. Are we photographing this momentous occasion?
Mm-hmm.
This auspicious occasion. Okay, so you're going to go up and you're going to stand. Move the saddle all around. Now, pull her head around. Just don't lean all your weight on, but lay across and pull her head around so she can see you above her. You want her to see your head above. Don't lay all the way on her. That's fine. You need to not be dependent on her to be holding on to you. Yep, so pull her head around so she can see you. You should have a cookie. There's your mother over there. See? There you are. Okay, good. All right, so now what you're going to do is you're just going to lay across, put your weight on, but beware, take your feet off the block. Okay. All right, feel her all over. She's holding your weight. Good. I want you to stay laying there so that you can just drop off whenever, and I'm going to lead you a step, okay? Come. Good girl. Good girl. How about it, huh? Good girl. Come.
I started scratching her belly.
Come on. Good girl. Very auspicious occasion. You're carrying your mother. Oh. Good girl.
Like, how do you balance with this thing, my God?
Got it. Good girl. Come over here and see her. Come here. That watch looks like a hospital bracelet, you know that?
Thanks.
There you go.
This is me not caring.
Good. All right. I'm going to take it back to the block. Come. Good girl. You okay? You falling off? Oh, good girl.
Quite a look.
Get a close up of your tuchus.
Yeah. You're all golden. Yeah.
Walk up. Oop. Oop. Okay, back on the block. Good. Now you want to try to sit up on her? Okay. Big moment. Easy, slow, keep your head down. Don't sit up, keep your head down low. Whoa. Keep your head down low with your head. Okay, big moment. Good, put your other foot in the stirrup. You don't have to put your feet in the stirrups if you don't want. If you want to just be able to hop off. Okay, pick up your reins. Good. Now we're going to walk. Good girl.
Good girl.
They're not. Just don't put them on her, though. Good. Okay, keep your reins and stop. That's right. Good girl. Okay, and stop her yourself. Good girl. She is a people.
So I do pony rides.
Maybe we'll use her for camp. And go. Good, and pat her. Good, excellent. All right, good. All right, that's enough. Did you
Yay.
want somebody to take a picture with your camera? You took it apart already? Okay. All
We
right.
got lots of video.
So there you are.
Okay. I mean, she doesn't care. She's just like, I'm packing. Just packing her along.
Like my little tiny back is a little weak to be carrying it for very long, though.
I I'm so big.
Oh my God, she's so cute.
I'm so big.
Yeah, so we can post it to Facebook.
Girl. You want Jennifer? You want to be in it?
Okay.